Yes, students, good morning. 8th क्लास ज्योग्राफी चैप्टर फर्स्ट के क्वेश्चन आंसर, जिसमें अन्य एक्टिविटीज़ लास्ट वीडियोस में डाल दी गई थी। अब फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज रिसोर्सेज कंजर्वेशन? रिसोर्सेज कंजर्वेशन इज द process of using resources very carefully and giving them protection and also giving them time to get renowned. It is very important because the use of the resources should not only be benefited to the current generation, but it should also benefit the future generation. The resources conservation is mainly needed to the natural resources which are non-renewable. Non-renewable resources are those resources which get exhausted by the continuous usage of resources, for example fossil fuels, metals, etc. क्वेश्चन सेकंड का क्वेश्चन लिखा नहीं था मैंने। सेकंड इसका आंसर है। सेकंड क्वेश्चन का क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट? जिसका आंसर होगा, सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट means using resources wisely without damaging the environment and keeping in mind the need of future generation. This can be achieved by making the right balance between using the resources to meet our present needs and conserving them for future. थर्ड क्वेश्चन है, राइट अबाउट द resources that are classified on the basis of their utility. Question third, write about the resources that are classified on the basis of their utility. इसका आंसर है, resources can be classified in the following ways. First यानी A, on the basis of organ. Natural resources can be classified as abiotic and abiotic. Abiotic resources include plants, animals, and microorganisms. Abiotic resources are obtained from the physical or non-living environment. These include land, water, minerals, and water. The utility of these resources depends upon their value and accessibility. इसी का पॉइंट ए हो गया। पॉइंट बी, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ रिन्यूएबिलिटी में यानी रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज, नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज which can be reproduced or generated within a given period of time. ये तो natural resources which can be reproduced or generated within a given period of time और सेकंड है, वो तो था रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज, और ये है नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज। नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज विच are limited in stock are called non-renewable resources. Examine examples in minerals like coal, petroleum, and natural gas, etc. Point C. On the basis of ownership, individual, community, national, and international, ये रिसोर्सेज हैं ऑनरशिप के बेस पर। पॉइंट डी, है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ स्टेटस ऑफ डेवलपमेंट, पोटेंशियल, डेवलप्ड, स्टॉक एंड रिजर्व। क्वेश्चन 4, explain the importance of human resources. Answer: people can make the best use of nature to create more resources when they have the knowledge, skill, and the technology to do so. That is why human beings are a special resources. People are human resources. Education and health help in making people a valuable resources. Improving the quality of people's skills so that they are able to create more resources is known as human resources development. Human resources development is a practice that companies, training, organization development, and career development efforts to encourage improvement of an individual, a group, or a organizational performance. Question 5. Why are human resources important? People as human resources are important because they can make the best uses of nature to create more resources by applying knowledge, skills, and technology. Today, everybody need human resources, and fast technology, education, and health help in making people valuable resources. Question 6. Why are resources? 6 है, why are resources distributed unequally over the earth? The distribution of natural resources depends upon many physical features like land, climate, and altitude. The distribution of resources is unequal because these factors differ from place to place on this earth. Question 7th. What is difference between actual and potential resources? Answer: difference between actual and potential resources. Actual resources are those which have been survived their quantity and quality determined and are being used in present times. For example, the petroleum and natural gas. पुनः देखें difference between actual and potential resources. Actual resources are those which have been surveyed their quantity and quality determined and are being used in present times. For example, the petroleum and natural gas which is obtained from the Mumbai high fields and West Asia. Second, the rich deposit of coal in Ruhr region of Germany, dark soil of the Deccan Plateau in Maharashtra. Potential resources are resources which exist in a region and which can be used in the future. For example, first, mineral oil may exist in many parts of India where sedimentary rocks are found, but till it is actually drilled out and put into use, it remains a potential resources. Second point, the uranium found in Ladakh is potential resources that could be used in the future. Third, high-speed winds were potential resources 200 years ago. Today they are in actual resources and wind farms generate energy using windmills like in Tamil Nadu, Gujarat coast etc. Finish. Chapter first geography question answer complete.